Skoda Octavia Mk3, third generation of Skoda Octavia, is 2016 car, and it has a problem with the blower motor that blows air inside your saloon, so for air conditioning and heating. So it stopped blowing, so we're gonna replace it. This particular car is a right-hand drive. As you can see, steering wheel is on the right, but if it's on the left, it's just as simple as watch this video in the mirror. It's very similar, but just on the other side. First thing we need to do is to remove the glow box. Some glow boxes have a limiter here, so you can just undo the limiter here. So this car is pretty basic, so it doesn't have it. And removing glow box, I can film with one hand, and another hand I just pull it up out of tubs, out of these plastic tubs. We just pull out these bits and we get access. Next thing we do, we remove this cover, which is pretty simple. This protection, so there is two clips. They look like a bolt, but they're more like a clips. So you just pull them out like this, and then you take this cover off. Before you do anything, you can always check the part number straight away. It's on your motor here, to make sure that you got the right part. It's 5Q2819021B. Sometimes this letter can vary, maybe B, but my replacement part has the exactly same part number, 5Q2819021B. Then for better access, we have to remove this vent, this pipe that blows air into our feet. So there's a little tab, you squeeze it. Let me hold the camera. Squeeze it, and then you undo it from that side, and then you just simply take it out of the way. It's like this. Next thing we do, we disconnect the plug with your nail. Press the plastic tab and just move it out. As you can see inside there's a plastic tab that you're pushing down with your nail, this one here. Then on some older models, blower motor is really simply to replace. You just pull some plastic tab down and then you turn the motor and then you take it out. This particular car, we have 3 screws. They are like, one is here, another one at the back there. So these two, and one more, you can see it from here, this one here. So if you look from this side, it's gonna be this one. So 3 screws, 1, 2, and that one there, 3. I'm using standard Skoda tool set, which is in the boot, and this Torx screwdriver fits there. So if you have any other screwdriver that Torx, you just use it. And finally, to take the motor out, we pull 2 tabs here. One is here, another one is down there. Similar tabs, just pull it out. I'm using screwdriver so you can see what's going on. Not much. There you go. And it comes out. There it is. And then you compare this one to the new one, make sure it's the same. More stuff about this car, some other cars, repair manual, see my website wilsonmotors.com. Step-by-step instructions, PDF printouts, anything you like, mobile friendly. Welcome.